Good afternoon. This is Connor from 0DTE Traders here to present our market minute for November 22nd, 2024. It is 3 o'clock, so I am recording this a little bit later than usual. Pretty busy day, but nothing has happened. SPX up 0.2%, essentially trading in a range here. Support on the downside, 59.50. Resistance on the upside, 59.75, as well as this downsloping structure that connects the all-time high. Market internals are more neutral than imbalanced. ADD plus 1300. So this is generally quite bullish with IWM, the outperformer here, up 1.6%. However, Q's growth not really participating. Q's flat, MAG's flat. And generally when we see this rotation or we see mixed sector performance, more often than not, it does lead to sort of choppy sideways-like conditions, which we see here today. Turning over to our gamma charts, the gamma index is positive, 400 million notional, trading above our flip of 59.20. We've been above the flip here for the past 2 days. Prior to that, there's been sort of a battle around the flip, consolidation around that 5900 handle. But above 59.50, bulls are in control, so dealers are buying those dips. With resistance overhead 59.75, as you can see here, and then 6,000 call wall. Something to note is this 25-point zone, which we've been trading in today, is kind of a low liquidity type area where the market is prone to a little bit more volatility. And we've seen, several swings within that range, but quite typical behavior given this gamma profile. In terms of upside magnitude, the market seems limited to that 6,000 handle. You can see it is just massive in terms of gamma, so a lot of sell flows here. And this is known as our call wall, which is generally regarded as our upper bound. So a cue for more upside is for that call wall to shift higher, potentially to 6,050, 6,100. Now at this juncture, what's going to cause that shift is going to be the addition of calls further out in time and price. So something we're going to be watching here early next week. Let's end with a quick performance check. I am ending the week green, up $4,345, 100% win rate. I traded a combination of strategies. Today, I traded long puts in the early morning off that downsloping structure that we highlighted. The biggest winner this week was on Monday. It was a bull call spread for 250% ROI, about $1,900 in absolute terms. And if you recall, last Friday, I discussed that put credit spread trade that I had that came, underwater, where I was forced to make an adjustment. I did roll it out to the Thursday expiration of this week, and it actually ended up expiring worthless, so we closed above that short strike. However, I did close it out the day prior for a flat trade. I thought it was better to remove the risk and reassess, so crisis averted there. So overall, a good week. If you'd like to learn 3 option strategies that our traders use to generate consistent profits with 0DTE options, along with a repeatable process on how to trade these strategies effectively, join the team at 0DTEtraders.com.